Body believed to be that of missing 8-year-old boy found in car in Gregory Park. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A decomposing body found in a car in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on Tuesday afternoon is believed to be that of missing 8-year-old Nevada Blackburn. Nevada, who is autistic, was last seen at a playfield in the community on Saturday afternoon. On Tuesday around 3 p.m., residents complained of a stench believed to be coming from a parked car and alerted the police. After the arrival of the police, the body was found in the car. Forensic investigators processed the scene and the body was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have a more detailed report to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.